Okay.
Adapting it
Mm.
to different kinds of learners is yet another challenge. Maybe there may be visual learners, there may be auditory learners. So
Yes.
adapting each topic as per the child's requirement is really challenging.
Yes, yes, that's definitely. So that is the main problem that AI can definitely solve, because some people, some students are visualize, some will understand more with, explaining in words. So hearing like that. Okay. So all the students are different. So going with the student is big task in nowadays world, right? Some of our schools are still on the outdated system, so most of the children are not getting the full intention of what the teachers are trying to convert. So there is the requirement of AI into classroom. So yes, thank you for answering. So my next question, my next question, how do you use AI? How do how do you think that AI could help overcome these challenges? As you mentioned, you need focus of the children, you need engaging activities. And how do you think that, how can AI help in classroom? We can ask this question to the new ones, right? Some Rahila ma'am, can you please tell me
Yeah,
how
what was the question, ma'am?
how AI can help in classrooms? What do you think about it?
Yeah, AI can be really helpful for us actually because
Hmm.
we are dealing with different kinds of students and different things we have to deal with them. So it's always helpful when we are not getting something, we can easily go and ask ChatGPT, and it's really helping me in my career.
Okay, okay. Thank you for answering. So
Welcome.
yes, okay. So these are the tools we are going to explore here. Some Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, Gemini, and Notebook LM. So yes. So can we start with Canva? So Canva is a graphic designing tool which will give us so many variety of visual templates and creative engaging visual contents to the students. So easily we can create worksheets, infographic, presentations and lesson plans with Canva. So that will be a good and collaborative experience for the students. As especially somebody mentioned here, right? Some kids are really like to enjoy the um, visual contents in classroom. So those kind of students we can provide, we can use Canva to plan our lessons. Okay, as I told, I would like to participants involvement in my class. So Rahila ma'am, can you please share your screen so that I can help you to log in Canva, and I will give a short explanation about how to use it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, you can type canva.com. It's very easy to use, so everybody can try. You can take the link. So yes, you already have an account, so you can go for create design.
Sorry, ma'am, didn't hear it. Can you please repeat?
Take create design, create a design. Yes, you can search infographics. So here
Yeah,
it
is
is.
this the one, ma'am?
Yes, this is the
Okay.
one. Now you can simply search the topic of your lesson that you are going to explain in your class. You can search the topic of the lesson which you wanted to do in your class? Rainbow. So she wanted to teach about rainbow in the classroom. So see, there are so many templates available in ready-made within seconds, right? This will definitely a treat to the students as they will enjoy seeing all this colorful class. I mean topics. So you can select any of it. Okay. So we can explain the topic in a very simple form. We can show them this and they will learn with fun. Okay. And also if you want to edit it, edit option is very easy in Canva. You just click there and edit your name. I mean, edit the topic accordingly, according to your needs. Okay. So now also the collaborative learning also available in this Canva. As you are in a online or offline mode, you can simply share the link to the students. You can take the share option and make it the click on the only you can access and make it to anyone with the link. Can edit, yes. You can simply share this link to the classroom and they will be able to log into the same screen which you are showing here. Then together you can make the learning more fun and interactive. Okay, so this is the one way that you can make your classroom more interactive. You can keep up calling all the students. You can see who all are participating in the screen and who all are with you. Who you know which all students are with you. You can see here. So yes, now I would like everybody to create a worksheet for yourself with any of the topic. Thank you, Rahila ma'am.
Okay.
Everybody, please try yourself, and you can show me if you can. Do you understand? Yes. Who all tried? Can you raise your hand? Who all tried? Okay, you can try for some time. After you finish, you simply raise the hand, okay? So that I can introduce the next. Okay. Have you done? Can we go with the next? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, you tried. Okay, thank you. If anybody want to share your screen, you can share. If anybody is ready to share the screen, you can tell me. Okay. Would you like to share? Yeah, Minha ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Great, great. Very good. I hope you will be using this in your classrooms too. Thank you. Okay. So we can go with the, yeah, I'll share my screen again. So our next tool is ChatGPT. Most of you are very familiar with, yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So most of you are very familiar to this chat gpt, as we are using the chat gpt not only for the professional purpose but for the personal purpose too, right? So for everything we need chat gpt, and chat gpt is capable of what and all we are asking. It has answer for everything. Okay, so let's have a demo about how can we use ChatGPT in our classroom. It's a large language model. It can assist us. It can replay in according to our needs. So I hope most of you know about what is large language model, and it will assist us in our teaching too. Okay, who would like to share the screen and give a demo?
I'll do one.
Okay, thank
Can you
you.
please give me the share option?
Yeah, sure. There are two Rahila. Wait. Okay. Yes, you can share your screen. If you are a new user to the ChatGPT or Canva, whatever tool I'm introducing here, you have to try sign in with your Google, and you will be getting a login or sign in option there, and you can go with sign in and try to sign in with Google. Okay, so you can simply type ChatGPT, or you already have an account, you can log in with that. You can log in the account. Yes. Okay. So here something that you have to be careful about that you if you are a first user, you have to introduce yourself to ChatGPT about your profession and your purpose. That's how you will get the best answers and appropriate answers for your questions. So it's all about how good questions and how correct questions you're asking for getting a targeted answers. If you're asking a random questions, you may not be getting the proper answer which you are expecting. You are expecting answer you may not get. So always try to introduce yourself and always try to explain clearly about your purpose and what are the expected answer you wanted from ChatGPT. Okay, so the speciality of ChatGPT is it has also memory, which will store our data into this memory. And it is, don't worry, if you don't want to store something about you, you can go to the history and delete it. And also there are temporary chats also available. You can simply click on that arrow marks on top of the ChatGPT logo. Can you see? Yes. Click on that. Temporary chat is available, which will not store your data into its memory. Okay. So now we can go with our normal chat. You can off it. Okay. Okay. So now you can simply ask, make a lesson plan for 5 years old kid about solar system. So within seconds, your lesson plan is ready. See, within seconds, it is ready.
Yes.
Okay. So as it is, you can also try making a lesson plan, or you can also make an email for the parents, or you can make a report, or if you want, you can make a even feedback for the students. Okay, any of you can try. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing the screen, Rahila, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yeah, if the temporary chat is not on, like if it will be saved, then we can retrieve all the information that we have asked before.
yes, yes, we can. You can simply go to the, it will show there in the history, in the left side, you can see, right? All the topics will be available there. But the temporary option is on, it will not be going for the history. It's just temporary and it will go there. Okay, so it's all about how creative your question is, how apt your question is, how according to the replay, what question you are asking. That kind of that the best question will get the best response. That is what. And many more options are available in ChatGPT. By pressing that icon, you can see a plus icon on the chat, right? Can you take that plus button, Rahila ma'am? Yes, you can upload any of the files here. You can upload images, you can upload PDF, document, anything you can upload, and you can ask ChatGPT about the contents or anything in the doc or the data you are giving. Even the Google Drive link also can connect with ChatGPT. So there are many more purposes, and it is all about how creatively you are using it. Okay, ma'am. Okay, you can stop sharing, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So everybody, did you try? Hello, anybody? Can you answer me if you have done?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So yes. So our next tool is Gemini, and it also the same purpose as ChatGPT. It will assist us in our learning and simplify our complex topics, and also help us to research content simplified to the students. Okay, so can we have a try? Anybody, can you please help me to share the screen? Who is ready? Minha ma'am, can you please?
Yes, ma'am. I can share my screen. So I have to just no. Sorry, I have to just share my new tab, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Um, 1 second. Okay. And what should I do now?
You can just simply type Gemini.
Okay.
Lead us to the site. Yes, you can search and click on the first link. And if you are not signed in, you can sign in. Yeah, you're already signed in, right? You can close. The same purpose as ChatGPT. You can ask the question here. You can explain any topic. You can choose a new topic. Explain me black holes in simple term for 10 years. So if you wanted to customize and personalize learning to a 10 years old kids, we can ask ChatGPT these kind of questions. So it will explain you in a simple term which a 10-year-old kid can understand.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So yes, as I explained about ChatGPT, it also offers the interaction with the documents. With doing that plus button, you will get more options to, you can upload the files, you can upload the images, etc. Yes, and even you can go with the Google Drive link. And it also, it will read us what some kids are, if it is for the kids, or if you are not interested to read all this answer, you can go with the listen option. So the Gemini can read all these options, all this data to you. Okay. Also, you use the voice note. There is a mic button there in the messages. Yeah. So you can ask Gemini and it will respond to you. Okay. Yeah, it can listen to, it can respond accordingly. Okay. So everybody, you can try this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Minha, ma'am, for sharing the screen.
Yeah.
So before going for the next topic, I would like to ask some questions to you all. Ready? Okay. So Amira, ma'am, what do you think about Canva? That how Canva can, how you gonna use Canva in your classroom?
Yes, ma'am. We can use Canva like as you show. We can use it for making lesson plans, like easy worksheets. We can make with that.
Mhm.
Like when kids are bored of like watching videos, like our explanations, they can do hands-on worksheets. It's available there, right? So we can use that for making the worksheets for them. Yes,
Mhm.
ma'am. That's how I use Canva.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. Next, next who can I call? Rabina, ma'am. How can you use ChatGPT? How will ChatGPT help in your classroom? Okay.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, audible.
Well,
How ChatGPT helps you? Not only in the classroom and also in your personal. How it makes your
um,
day less easier.
yeah, actually, used to make lessons plan using
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT for the activities and all.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Thank you so
really
much.
helpful. Yeah, it's really helpful
Yes.
because
Mhm.
in this era, the students are really talented than the facilitators and parents, so that it is really beneficial
Yes.
using.
Going behind the students is not easy anymore because all the students are very tech pro and
Yeah,
dealing with them is a task in nowadays classroom.
yeah,
So
yeah. They already know so many
yeah.
stuff and all.
Yes. So if we wanted to make them more engaging, we have to find some extraordinary activities and also more creative and engaging activity which will make them, focused and come with us in the classroom. Okay. So thank you for sharing. So can we go with the next topic,
Yes, ma'am.
which may be new to you all? Uh, Okay. So our next topic is notebook LM. So it is a very, very useful tool which will more than for as well as online, it will be useful for the offline teachers too. So many teachers are struggling to make an organized lessons and also summarize notes. The making notes are a difficult task in a normal classroom. So definitely, kids are also tired of writing notes, and teachers are also tired of making it. So there is a simple way to make a notebook for the students as well as the teachers with the use of notebook color. Okay, so I would like somebody to share the screen. Okay, so yes, Rahila ma'am, you got the present. Can you share your screen, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, doing ma.
Okay. Okay, now you can simply type notebook alum from there. Yes, you can take the link.
Is it the first one?
Yes, first one. Okay. You can take try notebook alum. Actually, the tab is not visible. You might be getting that, right? Can you share that another? Yeah, yeah. Now we got it.
Yes, yes. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Now it's fine. So now you can take create a new notebook. So some people will be doing this for the first time. That those who should sign in with this, you have to sign in with Google. And yes, here you have to upload the sources. That means you have to upload the files. It can be anything, any form of file is accepted here. So you can upload the files of your textbooks or some data you have made. Random notes you can upload here. You can choose from your files in the the audio also will be supported. PDF, audio, everything will be supported here. Can you take a source?
Already done, man.
Okay, so but the full screen is not visible. Can you try to share your entire screen? Yeah, yeah, now it's
Now
fine.
it is okay.
Yes, yes, now. Okay, so you can see in the sources, she has uploaded a file which is verb day PDF. It might be containing, can you show me your file? Yeah, it is containing like some verbs and its meaning and V1, V2, V3, 4. So this is data we are giving to the notebook LM. So with that, we wanted to prepare a well-scheduled classroom plan. Okay. So we can customize the plan from here. In chat option, you can simply ask the questions according to your need, what kind of interactions and what kind of topics that you wanted to discuss in the classroom, you can simply ask them. So Rahila ma'am, you can ask some questions like, related with the doc. So she wanted to take the classes of present tense. Yeah, she asked prepare conversation in the present tense of some words in the PDF. So it is creating. See, it is taking some words from the PDF we have uploaded and creating some sentences for us. So we can use this in our classroom. We can simply, can you please go down? Yes, we can save to notes. So it will be added to the studio. When you are clicking save to notes, it will be added to the studio. Can you try that, ma'am? Yes, you can see in the studio column, it is created like that. Okay, so it is a very useful method for all the teachers. I think, within seconds, you will be getting all entire and it will save your time and also it will make you more creative and engaging sessions for the students. Okay, this is how you can plan your sessions. You can save all the notes, and if you want, you can download it to the PDF and prepare. Okay, so yes, and also audio option also there. Can you go up, ma'am, in the chat? scroll up to the chat. So there are so many options there. Audio overview is there, briefing your document, and so many options will be available that you can explore yourself and try, or you can attend my next session. Okay. So yes, everybody you can try this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
So everybody can try this. How many of you are using this notebook LM in your classes? Anybody used to this? Is there any other purpose you are using this notebook LM? If you have an opinion, you can share. Come on. Rahila, TR, who's there? May I know your opinions, ma'am? Yes. May I know how you are using AI tools? Are you ever used AI tools in your classroom, or is it new to you? May I know your opinions?
I am using it for the first time, ma'am.
Me
Oh, yeah.
also.
I have used ChatGPT, but I'm using this one for the first time. And I think it will
Okay.
be very helpful for us.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So any others also tell the opinion? Others, uh, so many
Same,
others.
I'm using for the first time.
You're also using it for first time. So anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. I have used Canva, ChatGPT, and Gemini previously, but Notebook LM I haven't used for preparing like for the lesson plan and all. I just used it once when it was mentioned in our group, like to
Yes.
prepare a back about the students before open house. That's the only one time that I have used it. I have never used it in this way. Thank you
Oh,
for letting.
okay. So it is according to the purpose. If we wanted to make a lesson plan, we can use it in that way. If the purpose is another thing, we can customize our plans. We can be creative and use the AI tools. It can do anything for us, but it is our, it is with us how we wanted to use it. So always think about how can we use this in this purpose. There is always a solution in AI for every problems we are facing, not only in the teaching, but whatever we are doing, there is a solution with AI. So we have to set our mind an AI first mindset. So we always think that I wanted to do this. How can I do this with the AI? So it will always reduce your time and will be giving you the best and most creative and relevant answers and the things that you are searching for. Okay, so if you all done, we can go with the next. Can we, or do you need more time to explore? Okay, so the final thing is Notion. It has many purpose. It not only make us organize our data, it will also make us a clear and professional class material management. So as I mentioned, it is all about how we are using and what our purpose is. We can always customize our plans using these tools. So I'm just giving an example which is comfortable and which is useful for the educators. And if you are not using this for the educational purpose and you wanted to do it for other purpose, you can customize this plans accordingly. So yes, we can start. So ma'am, can you share your screen? Rahila ma'am, can you share your screen?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Can you, is it visible?
Yes, yes. You can simply type notion.so. Simply type Notion, then search. Now you can take. Okay, get started for free. If you are not signed in, you can sign in with that. And yes, you can take a new page. You can take it on top, you can see, right? That page you can take. Yes. Okay. So here you can give a topic that if you wanted to give a title, what kind of document or what things that you are planning to do, you just give a title. Okay. So you can give task management system or anything. So I'm simply introducing organizing a class topic to the Notion. Okay, you can press enter. Come to the next slide.
Hmm.
Yes, while scrolling there, you will be able to see dots and plus button. You just scroll your mouse, or you can
Is
press
it,
the hashtag also. Can you try
is
to,
it visible?
yeah, it is visible. Can you please, yeah, there you can see, when you are clicking there, you can see a dots and plus button.
Yeah.
Uh, so can you please click on that plus button? Okay, now you can search a database. We are going to create a table-wise database.
Okay, what should I type?
Okay, you can type database.
So I should type hashtag
No need to type it. Just database. Okay.
database. Okay.
Okay. So you can take the table view.
Okay.
Yes. Now you can give the name. You can see. You can give a title,
Hmm.
like what you're going to create. You can give a lesson topic. Anything you can give.
Can you tell me
Untitled. Right there, you can give
what?
a title. You can see a untitled. Can you see untitled below that
Yeah,
table?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Give a
yeah.
title there.
Yeah. Okay. Can you suggest a title, please?
Okay. You can give lesson management or classroom management. Anything. That is fine.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can see A names, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there you can type your lesson name or yeah, you can type a lesson name.
Mm, can you
That is
give
a
any
property.
suggestions?
You can type a verb.
Okay.
Okay, click enter.
Mm.
Okay, now in the click on the verbs, there you will be, just scrolling the mouse, you will be able to see an open form. No, not there. In the within that verbs, open
Is
form
it
will
not
be
visible?
visible. No, wait. Open,
Open
I
what?
can't. Open option will be there. Wait. Okay, can you no, click on, not there. Sorry. There you have to type the lesson topic. I'm sorry, I just
Mm,
confused.
mm.
In the instead of verbs, you can write the lesson topics. Lesson topics.
Okay.
Okay. In down you can see, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Click the enter. In down you can see new page. You can
Yeah.
click on it.
Okay.
Okay, wait. There you can you will be able to see a open file.
Actually, it's not visible here. Should I type something here?
Wait. Yes, can you type slash? There is another method I will tell you. You can type slash.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, now you will be able to get that window, right? Why it's not getting?
I
Yeah,
got
that
the
all.
option open.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, click on it. Now you
Mm.
can give a title for your lesson.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can create a lesson there with the AI, with the help of AI. In down, you can give any date or something that you can set any property. Uh, can you see a icon in down? That is the AI in Notion.
This one. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, click on it.
Okay.
You can ask AI to make a conversation about any topic. Okay. So it will automatically create a conversation here so that you can arrange and organize your lessons in a simple doc. Also, you can add like color. You can add date, due dates, timeline, and also like anything lesson tracker. If you are
Okay.
completed this lesson, also you can status of the lesson. Everything you can set there in the properties.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
See.
yeah,
Yes.
should I copy this or save page? Just save page. Okay.
Okay. It is automatically will be there.
Mm-hmm.
You can press enter. Where is it? You didn't copy. Okay. Also, you can ask here also. Can you try again? Give. Yeah, it is coming.
So how do I get it on the page?
Wait. Can you draw down?
Yeah, only this much is there. I can't scroll down.
1 minute. Can you close it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you try there?
Are you saying about a new one?
Yeah.
I didn't
Just,
understand.
I mean, you can scroll down the data in the chat. There will be a copy that to the. You are actually doing that in comments, right? Open page or open page option is there.
Where is it actually? I can't find it.
See, right, can you see that right press space and AI? Can you try
Yeah.
from, maybe
Yeah.
you done from add a comment.
Okay.
Yes, you can give a space and try there. Ask AI. Make ask AI.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can type, make a question. Okay, press enter. Before you did it in comments, I think. Okay, it will
Yeah.
come there.
You can accept here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it's
Now
already
you're
there.
in that page itself. Okay.
Yeah,
So if you
got it.
don't want table wise, you can simply go it with your Notion main site itself. You can make some pages and do. You can close this and try the table way. You can close it. Okay. Now you
Okay.
see the lesson is planned like conversation. When you're opening that, you will get it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just go to the open button. Like that, you can create pages. I hope everybody understood it. A bit confusing, but it's very
Yeah.
easy to use also. As I took as maybe it was for the first time it got confused. While you are using it for the all purpose, it will be very easy for you. So if you want, you can add any other pages and you can do the same. And there are so many possibilities to arrange our data in this. Even if you are adding the properties, you can give the date. Can you see the conversation itself? You can add a property, right? In that window, open the window, open the
Yeah.
window.
Yes. Add up.
Yeah. If you
Yeah.
want, you can add date, which time, till which time, lesson date you can update. You can give the lesson date here. You can take the type date. Click on the type. No, click on the type. Click on the type, ma'am. Click on, yeah, add property, rename. Rename,
This
lesson
is
date.
okay. Okay.
You can take type.
Okay.
Okay, number. Okay, that's it. It will be there. You can go back. The
Mm.
date will be visible.
Mm. Okay.
So lesson date is already there. If you want, you can
Mm.
select that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. So
Shall I
anybody?
stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop sharing, ma'am. Thank you.
Mm.
So anybody else? Did you understand Notion? How to use Notion? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. You explained it so well. You were
O-
guiding her.
Okay, thank you. So yes, that is the AI tools which I was planned to discuss here. So if you have any doubts, you can clear it here. So I would like to get a feedback from everybody. So can you please share how these tools are uh, useful in your classrooms and what you are going to use in your classroom? What tool will be more, more beneficial in your classrooms? Anybody?
So basically, what I do is, for me, the most useful ones were ChatGPT, uh, Canva. It's not just for classes. I use it for almost everything. Even to edit my pics, I use Canvas to make worksheets. When I was assigned lower grades, like I usually don't take lower grades. When I was suddenly assigned lower grades, I don't know what to do. So I prepared some worksheets based on the activities they have already done, and I have shared it with them. So Canva and ChatGPT are the ones I mainly use, and Notion mainly. Recently, I have been start using Notion because as we had some discussions with sir, I have started creating sub activities. That activities that was already given in our class dojo, I have created sub activities for that. So I took the lesson plan from ChatGPT and I prepared a Notion in Notion, and I have uploaded it in class dojo, so that
Oh,
students can look at that Notion and prepare their work. So
okay.
I have been
So
using all these three
when
tools.
the Notion itself, we can create the plans with
Yeah.
Notion AI.
So till now I was using ChatGPT and then forwarding it to Notion. And I haven't used Notebook LLM, so I'll be trying to use it more often. Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session.
Thank you, thank you. So anybody, if you wanted to share the opinions, you can also share.
It was actually really helpful, ma'am. Even like Nadina ma'am said, I also used only ChatGPT for all my lesson planning. And from here on, I'm sure I'll use Notebook LM and Notion. Actually, it is really helpful because we
Thank
are supposed to make many conversations with students. I'm actually a spoken English trainer,
you.
so
Mm-hmm.
I have to create conversations based on different topics. So daily I have to check on ChatGPT for
Mm-hmm.
new vocabulary words and everything. So from here on, I can store it in Notion LM or Notebook. Sorry, Notebook LM or Notion. So thank you so much for the session. It was really helpful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your feedback. So, yes, thank you everybody for joining the session. I really look forward that you all will be using these tools in your classrooms, and let's bring out the classroom more engaging and fun learning for the students. And definitely, our next generation, for the next generation, we have to be the next generation teacher too. So, thank you for joining. Thank you for your valuable time. And yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.